What's up, guys? Chase here. I am up in Flagstaff, Arizona today. I am up at this crater. Technically it's like a crater, so there's like the volcano stuff right over here. Just hiked that one earlier. See if you can see it. That guy just hiked that one, not at the top though, but just hiked over there first and then came over to this one. Check it out. So it is pretty dang cool. There's there's a big old lava field from like the parking lot, and I hiked that before last time I came up here. That was pretty cool. It's just basically flat, so this time I kind of wanted to go up like the volcanoes, little craters, I guess, this time. So it is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. What's going on, everybody? Back here again, and I'm at Mount Humphreys peak right now. Not at the peak, but the peak is right over there. You can see it. That's the peak for Mount Humphreys. So I'm at like the base of it, and there is so many aspen trees. It is amazing.